In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Banggood account location. This quick setting is useful because it helps Banggood show accurate prices, shipping options, and delivery times for where you actually are. It can also make checkout smoother by matching your region and preferred currency, so what you see on the site lines up with what you'll pay. Start by opening your browser and going to banggood.com. Make sure you're logged in so the change applies to your account and carries over if you use another device later. If you're not signed in, take a moment to log in first. Otherwise, the site may only apply the change to your current session and you might have to do it again. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the site. You'll see a small country flag or a label that says Ship To. Click that. A panel or pop-up will appear. This is where you control your region settings. You'll see a field to choose your country or region. Pick the one that matches where you want items shipped. This influences what warehouses serve you, which shipping methods are available, and the estimated arrival dates you'll see on product pages. You'll also notice an option to select your preferred currency. This part is optional. Choose the currency you're most comfortable viewing prices in. Then remember that your bank or payment provider might still convert the final charge based on its own rates. The site currency setting is mainly for display and clarity while you shop. After selecting your country or region, and optionally a currency, click Save or Confirm. The page will refresh automatically. That refresh is your sign the update has been applied. To double check, look back at the top right corner. The flag and country label should now reflect your new location. You can also open any product page and scroll to the shipping section to make sure the delivery options and estimates match your chosen region. If you don't see changes right away, try a manual refresh. Occasionally, browser caching or a VPN can delay updates, so temporarily disabling a VPN may help. Also note that changing the account location affects how the site displays prices and logistics, but it doesn't edit any saved shipping addresses you've added during checkout. Those remain as you set them. That's it. You've updated your Banggood account location and you're ready to shop with accurate regional pricing and shipping information.